Service in Birmingham has issued a flash flood warning for western Lee County in east central Alabama until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:13 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Auburn, Opelika, Notisulga, Beauregard, Auburn University, Locapoca, Robert G. Pitts Airport, Chewacla State Park and Roxana. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Please report flooding to your local law enforcement agency when you can do so safely.